Big Bird 737 towing Q400 towing. Yeah, both of them are towing to the gates so that they can fly today. This one, I'm sure, Seattle. This Q400 is gonna be Seattle. And the big one, probably, what's this? No idea yet which gate they're going. It's rainy days in Vancouver right now, so few planes are here. Some are parked on the west de-icing. Some just arrived. Yeah, just landed. That plane just landed. So there's only few traffics today. Rainy days in Vancouver. Yeah, it's not good to work when it's raining. There you go, Gate Gourmet waiting for their flights to load some foods. Gate Gourmet, they're serving food. Yeah, how many times already I'm on the business class. I ate this good one, and then they supply some liquor, wine, rum, whatever, beer. Yeah, they contract Air Canada for the food. That's why I love to travel when it's a long haul, because I'm full, got sleep, everything is there. So that's the life here now in Vancouver International Airport. Rainy days, plane are parked waiting for their time to leave. So this is it. I'm gonna go around and look for my flights too, which I am assigned. Okay, few more weeks to wait, and let's see what's gonna happen. All right, guys, rainy days in Vancouver. So summertime is almost gone. We'll see what's gonna happen on autumn, fall, winter. All right, see you on my next video. Bye bye. Take care, man. Take care of yourself.